Number 1. 1971 Chevrolet Longhorn truck, $6,000, Hesperia, California. This 1971 Chevrolet Longhorn is a rare and interesting heavy-duty classic pickup finished in original paint. Longhorn models are known for their extended wheelbase design, giving them a unique appearance and improved hauling capability compared to standard Chevrolet trucks of the era. Although this truck currently does not run after years of sitting, its originality and clean title make it a strong restoration candidate. Early 1970s Chevrolet trucks remain highly collectible because of their timeless body styling and durable construction. Number 2. 1971 Chevrolet C10 pickup, $6,500, Tucson, Arizona. This 1971 Chevrolet C10 is a factory original, one family-owned classic, powered by the dependable 350 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. The truck retains its original patina finish, giving it authentic vintage character that many collectors actively seek today. Used primarily as a ranch and farm truck, it appears to have maintained its honest work truck heritage. Chevrolet C10 pickups from the early 1970s continue to grow in popularity because of their simple styling, reliability, and huge aftermarket support. Number 3. 1971 Ford F250, $6,500, Carson City, Nevada. This 1971 Ford F250 is a solid driving classic pickup, equipped with a strong running V8 engine and automatic transmission. Upgrades including an Edelbrock carburetor, alloy wheels, low-car shifter, and sound deadening material improve both performance and comfort. The truck reportedly has very little rust, which is always a major advantage for a vintage pickup of this age. Ford F-Series trucks from the early 1970s are respected for their durability, bold styling, and strong work truck reputation. Number 4. 1970 Chevrolet C30 LS swapped, $7,000, Grain Valley, Missouri. This 1970 Chevrolet C30 is an impressive custom project powered by a modern 6.0-liter LS V8 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The truck has already received major suspension, brake, fuel system, and drivetrain upgrades, making it a strong foundation for a powerful street or work truck. The Willwood clutch system, upgraded gauges, and modern fuel setup add extra value. Classic Chevrolet trucks with LS swaps remain extremely popular because they combine vintage styling with modern performance and reliability. Number 5. 1978 Chevrolet C10 short bed stepside, $8,900, Fort Collins, Colorado. This 1978 Chevrolet C10 short bed stepside is a heavily upgraded street truck powered by a built 355 cubic inch small block V8 engine. Performance upgrades include Edelbrock components, long tube headers, aluminum radiator, electric fans, and a fresh turbo 350 transmission with shift kit. The lowered suspension and step-side bed give the truck a very aggressive, classic custom appearance. Short bed Chevrolet trucks from the late 1970s are highly desirable among collectors and hot rod enthusiasts. Number 6. 1978 Jeep J Series 4xD pickup, $6,500, Phoenix, Arizona. This This 1978 Jeep J-Series pickup is a rugged four-wheel drive classic, powered by the strong 360 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. With only 77,743 miles, the truck presents itself as an excellent restoration project for Jeep enthusiasts. J-Series trucks are respected for their heavy-duty construction, off-road capability, and distinctive styling. Vintage Jeep pickups from the 1970s have become increasingly collectible due to their rarity and strong off-road heritage. Number 7. 1973 Chevrolet C20 Square Body, $9,500, Pittsburg, Antioch, California. This 1973 Chevrolet C20 Square Body is a well-built custom pickup featuring a performance-oriented 355 cubic inch V8 engine with numerous upgrades. The rebuilt Demon carburetor, Edelbrock intake, long tube headers, Flowmaster exhaust, and rebuilt 700R4 transmission give the truck excellent street performance. Additional upgrades, including Bilstein air shocks and an aluminum drive shaft, improve drivability. Early square-body Chevrolet trucks are extremely popular today because of their aggressive styling and strong customization potential. Number 8. 1979 GMC Sierra short bed stepside, $9,900, Ahwatukee, Arizona. This 1979 GMC Sierra short bed stepside is a very attractive all-original classic pickup, powered by the dependable 350 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. Features including factory air conditioning, power steering, and side-step bed styling add to its desirability. The truck reportedly runs and drives very well while retaining much of its original character. Short-bed GMC trucks from the late 1970s are increasingly sought after because of their classic proportions and timeless design. Number 9. 1966 Ford F100 short bed, $14,800, out-of-state Arizona listing. This 1966 Ford F100 short bed is a stylish classic pickup powered a 352 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. The truck reportedly runs and drives very well, making it an enjoyable cruiser with strong road presence. Minor cosmetic flaws such as clear coat wear and a missing headliner are relatively small concerns for a truck of this age. Mid-1960s Ford F100 models are highly respected for their clean body lines, comfortable ride quality, and growing collector demand. Number 10. 1989 Chevrolet S10 Tahoe, $8,000, Phoenix, Arizona. This 1989 Chevrolet S10 Tahoe is a clean and practical compact pickup powered by the durable 4.3-liter V6 engine and automatic transmission. Features including cold air conditioning, working heater, and emissions compliance make it a usable everyday classic truck. The Tahoe trim package added extra comfort and appearance upgrades over standard S10 models. Compact Chevrolet pickups from the late 1980s continue to gain popularity because of their reliability and increasingly hard-to-find original condition. Number 11. 1985 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 long bed, $7,500, Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. This 1985 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 is an original heavy-duty pickup powered by the dependable 350 cubic inch V8 engine and turbo 400 automatic transmission. The truck includes desirable factory features such as power windows, air conditioning, and power steering. With only 85,000 miles, it appears to have been relatively well preserved despite sitting for some time. Mid-1980s Chevrolet Silverado trucks remain popular among collectors because of their durability, square body styling, and excellent parts availability.